It's me, Len, at ngayon ay very special day because it's December 21st, the 18th birthday of my eldest daughter, Lian, or much known by many as Elle. Ayan. So, happy 18th birthday, anak. And I know and declare that you will be successful and victorious in life because that is what I prayed for to God para sa'yo. And alam mo na, pasensya na kung hindi makakauwi si mama ngayong 18th birthday mo because inire-reserve natin para sa graduation mo at sa recognition yung magkakapatid. Ayan. I thank God because you have grown up to be very loving, very caring, very sweet kahit no matter how you grow old ay talagang napaka-sweet mo pa rin kay mama. Talagang yan yung bata na kada darating ako or kada paalis ako papunta dito sa Hong Kong is will hug me. Yung hindi talaga siya mahihiya na to cuddle mama. Ayan. So, on your 18th birthday, I just hope and pray na kagaya sa pangako ni Lord sa Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord's plans to prosper you, to give you hope and a better future. Ayan, laging tandaan na kahit ano man ang pagdaanan natin na kayang-kaya natin yan. Ayan, may mga time man na para ikaw ay pagod na, stress na. I know it's difficult na mag-budget ng budget nyo na magkakapatid para sa pag-aaral and to everyday, pero kayang-kaya mo because you are gifted by God by beauty, by talent, by intelligence and godly wisdom, and syempre you have a good heart. Ayan, talagang maiyakin man, sabi nga, kalaiyak man na parang umaatungal baka, pero bilhan mo lang yan ng dessert or ice cream, talagang mawawala na ang pag-iyak niyan. Ayan, stay focused on your reaching your dreams, anak, because I know na makakamit mo yan lahat and malapit na tayo magkita-kita at magkasamang muli sa inyong graduation in a few months. And thank you for always making your mama and everyone proud. And syempre, thank you for making our Maker, which is our Lord, proud because you are all growing up to be what the Lord wants you to be. And enjoy your special day, anak. I love you so much and take care always because I care. Love you. Mwah. Happy 18th birthday and legal age. Pwede ka nang bumoto at pwede ka nang jowa. Jar. Alam ko naman na you will choose the perfect person that God will give to you. Love you, anak. And see you after a few months. God bless.